Let us look at the different logic families in ICs. So you have RTL logic family, which stands for resistor transistor logic. You have DTL, or the diode transistor logic. You have TTL, stands for transistor transistor logic. You have ECL, which stands for emitter coupled logic. Then you have NMOS, which is N-type metal oxide semiconductor. You have PMOS, which is P-type metal oxide semiconductor. And then you have CMOS, which is a combination of NMOS and PMOS, and it's known as complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Most of the VLSI chips nowadays are built using CMOS logic. So what the logic family says, so basically you can design an AND gate using any of the IC logic families. So an AND gate, which is built using RTL logic, is going to contain resistors and transistors. An AND gate in TTL logic is going to be realized using just transistors. So given an application, you must choose which logic family are you going to go with. And there are certain characteristics which govern each of these logic families, or which are unique to these logic families. So the common characteristics are fan out, propagation delay, power dissipation, and then you have noise margin. We're going to discuss about these two. So these four govern which logic family you have to use. So for example, some of the logic families might have a good fan out, but they might have a large propagation delay. And some might have a good or a very less propagation delay, but they might have a very less fan out as well. So let us look into what exactly fan out and propagation delay are.